All right, Corey, thank you so much, my friend. Over the weekend, there was a big milestone that was hit here in the United States. In one single day, there were 2.9 million people vaccinated. Still, though, there are a lot of people out there, especially in our communities here in Arizona, and it's hard to reach them. It's hard to get them registered for some of these vaccinations. Ty Brennan is live this morning with the effort to help all of you at home get the shot. Hey, Ty.
Good morning, Celeste. That is exactly right. The only way that we're going to get back to normal, according to a lot of health officials, is for the majority of Americans to get that vaccine, to have that herd immunity. So we're here at Phoenix Municipal Stadium, where you can see that they just opened the doors. They'll start those vaccinations in just a matter of seconds. The tent you're looking at there is the actual area where they administer those vaccines. So to date, 774,250 Arizonans have received their second dose of the vaccine, meaning they are fully vaccinated. That's about 10% of the state's population. However, as we talked about, the goal is to get as many people in our state vaccinated as possible. So the Arizona Department of Health Services, they started this new pilot program to target specific areas in our state to get more people vaccinated. So as part of this pilot program, they had telephone town halls in English and Spanish for zip code 85009. Now that is just south of downtown Phoenix. Now this was an area that the Arizona Department of Health Services identified as having higher numbers of COVID cases than other areas and low numbers of people that are getting the vaccine. Now as part of this program, they were able to register 400 people for that vaccine. They were even able to provide rides beginning yesterday through this week with taxi cabs to get those people out here to some of these mass vaccination sites to get their vaccine. Now, if you want some more information on these types of programs, again, this is just a pilot program that they're starting in one particular area. They do plan to expand this to other areas across the state to reach those individuals. We also talked about yesterday that the Johnson & Johnson shot is now here in our state. That's just the one-dosed vaccine, so health officials say that's really going to help get more and more people vaccinated because they don't have to come back for that second. But if you want more information on how to register, maybe you don't have a computer, you don't have friends or family that can help you do that, we have put the telephone number. They do have operators that speak English and or Spanish that will be able to help you register for the vaccine at one of these locations. You can go to our website, fox10phoenix.com. Back to you.
Well, Ty, it seems like the state obviously has some real strengths when it comes to this vaccine rollout, but a lot of people saying, man, that computer system, that website, not one of them.
That's exactly right. Yeah, we still are hearing some issues with folks trying to get on there. They say the best thing to do too is try not to use your smartphone or tablet. If you can get your hands on an actual physical computer, that might be best because it will show more open times. Some individuals have found that that's helped them get those dates, to schedule those dates, I should say. There's just kind of some issues there, but again, that phone number that we have listed, if you can't get to a computer, might help alleviate some of those issues as well.
Yeah, and the electronics thing can be so frustrating. I can imagine, adding in the, pandemic and portion of it is just really frustrating for some people. Good thing that they're doing all these outreach efforts. Ty, thank you for your report.